Hi,
Hi,
what's his name?
my name is Siddharth.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Good. Are you ready to go jump?
Yeah, first time I'm going.
Okay. High five.
Yeah, bro. Free fall was amazing.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I have a friend like Dima. So what is the tension? No tension at all.
So, it's pole or what?
Yeah, as you wish.
What or pole?
Let it be slow because I want to enjoy the view. That was really crazy.
How was your jump?
Yeah, it was good. We enjoyed.
What was the best part?
Free fall.
You fall?
Yeah,
You
that
like
was
the-
the best part.
You like the spins?
Yeah. Spin was little dangerous.
Okay, it was good.
That was little scary.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
you loved it. High five.
High five. So this jump was a part of Rakshakeco Foundation, and I was just trying to promote to save nature, to support nature. This was a dare for nature. Thank you.